Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to refinance your student loans and potentially lower your interest rates, Earnest is a great option to consider. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of refinancing your student loans with Earnest, helping you save money and streamline your payments. Step 1. Assess your current financial situation. Before you begin the refinancing process, take a close look at your current loans. Gather information about your existing loans, including outstanding balances, interest rates, and monthly payments. This overview will help you understand your potential savings with Earnest. Step 2. Check your credit score. Your credit score plays a significant role in determining the rates you'll qualify for when refinancing. Check your credit score using a reputable credit service. If your score has improved since you took out your original loans, you may qualify for a better rate through Earnest. Step 3. Visit Earnest's website. Head to the Earnest website to start the application process. You'll find easy-to-follow instructions and resources to help you navigate through the refinancing options available to you. Step 4. Input your information. Once on the Earnest website, you will need to provide information about yourself and your current loans. This typically includes your personal details, income, and details about your existing student loans. Be sure to double-check your information for accuracy. Step 5. Review your offers. After submitting your information, Earnest will provide you with personalized refinance offers based on your financial profile. Take the time to review these offers carefully. Pay special attention to interest rates, loan terms, and any potential fees. Step 6. Customize your loan. Earnest allows you to customize your loan terms to fit your financial goals. You can choose your repayment period, monthly payment amounts, and even whether to use a variable or fixed interest rate. This flexibility can help you find the best plan for your needs. Step 7. Submit your application. Once you've selected your offer and customized your loan, it's time to submit your application. Earnest will review your application and may require some additional documentation, such as proof of income or identification. Step 8. Close your loan. If approved, you'll receive instructions for closing your new loan. This usually involves signing loan documents electronically and may require a brief waiting period as Earnest pays off your existing loans. Step 9. Start making payments. After closing, you'll begin making payments on your new loan through Earnest. Set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date, and consider enrolling in any student loan benefits offered by Earnest, such as interest rate reductions for autopay. By following these steps, you can successfully refinance your student loans with Earnest and potentially lower your financial burden. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.